kind of advice, and ito pala yung lagi kong sinasabi. The day that you believe na magaling ka, that's when hindi ka na magiging magaling. The world, di ba, is constantly evolving and changing. Laging may mga bagong ways of doing things. Pero pag naniwala ka, or pag alam mo sa sarili mo, that you don't know everything, you have to remember that Kasi what are people that think they know everything? Mga bobo. Diba? When you know na marami ka pang matututunan, dun ka tumatalino. So the more na kailangan you have to, be open, a listener, dun ka talaga gumagaling. As in ako, the more na naniniwala ako sa lahat ng instruction sa akin. Kasi papasok ako, may sarili naman akong pinaplanong atake dun sa eksena. Kasi nakita ko na siya sa utak ko in some way. Pero, the second my director says, can we try this? Ida-drop ko, ibabasura ko lahat ng, tatry ko yan. If there's any advice talaga that I give, whenever someone asks me, I say, never believe na magaling ka because you'll never grow na and hindi ka talaga aabot dun sa anong akala mo yung, o ano yung magaling.
Wow.